Are there any helpful apps for documenting a car accident? Have you ever thought about what to do right after a car accident? It can be overwhelming, but there are tools that can make the process easier. One of the best ways to document an accident is by using mobile applications designed for this purpose. These apps can help you gather important information and streamline the auto insurance claims process. So, what can these apps do for you? First, many of them come with crash detection features. This means that if you are involved in a collision, the app can automatically alert emergency contacts or services. This can be a lifesaver in urgent situations. Next, these apps guide you on what information to collect. You will need details like insurance information, driver and vehicle data, and witness statements. They also encourage you to take photos of the accident scene and any damages. This visual documentation is essential for your insurance claim and can help determine who is at fault. Speaking of photos, many apps allow you to capture images or even record videos. This can include dashcam footage, which is often critical evidence. Having clear visual records can significantly support your case when dealing with insurance companies. Another great feature is the ability to generate accident reports. After collecting all the necessary data, these apps can compile it into a well-organized report, often in portable document format. You can then submit this report directly to your insurance company, saving you time and effort. Some apps also provide checklists and guidance on what to do immediately after an accident. They can remind you of safety measures, what information to exchange with other drivers, and what to document. This step-by-step approach can help reduce stress during a chaotic time. Now let's talk about some popular apps that can assist you. One option is iRect, which helps you collect insurance information, generate reports, and take photos. Another is So Smart, which offers crash detection and emergency alerts. There is also the AxiKit Accident Report Kit, which provides tools for evidence collection and report creation. CamOnRoad functions as a dash cam, recording your driving activity before and during a crash. The Car Accident Report app includes an accident checklist, photo and audio tools, and stores your insurance details for easy access. Additionally, many insurance companies have their own apps that allow you to report accidents, upload photos, and manage claims digitally. These apps can make the claims process even smoother. Using these dedicated car accident documentation apps can significantly improve the accuracy and efficiency of your claims process. They ensure that all relevant data is collected systematically at the scene. This not only benefits you as a policyholder but also helps insurance providers assess claims more accurately. In the end, having the right tools at your disposal can make a big difference in how you handle a car accident. So, consider downloading one of these helpful apps before you find yourself in an unexpected situation.